Hi, welcome to this video, which is all about the strategies of Forex market makers. Now, in terms of a very popular search online, it's how to trade Forex like a market maker. And you'll find a lot of tutorials which explain where the market makers come in to buy the market, sell the market, how they hunt stops, etc. However, all those tutorials that think that market makers operate in that way don't understand the business model of a market maker. So I'm going to give you the strategy of market makers here, and it is a very simple strategy. Market makers are very aware of a rule of thumb in trading the markets, and it's this: 90% of trading clients are going to lose 90% of their money in 90 days. Okay, so if you think about that statistic or rule of thumb, and you think about a market maker is going to take the opposite side of the trade to the client, for every $1 million the market maker brings in, going to end up with 900,000. So it's a very, very profitable business. Now, in terms of many Forex traders, they're very weary of market makers because they've got the other side of the trade. My point would be, why does it matter? If you think about it, if you're an ECN broker, okay, and you offset the trades, same amount of clients are going to lose with an ECN broker as lose with a market maker. There's going to be no difference. So, in terms of market makers, I would say they are actually better brokers a lot of the time to trade with. Why? Because basically they can give you really tight spreads. I deal with market makers. I've never ever had a problem with them. You've got to keep in mind it is nothing personal in terms of a market maker, the way they deal with clients. They don't mind a few clients winning. That's just basically the way it is in Forex trading. It's up for us to beat the odds, okay? And I think with market makers they're kind of misunderstood. It's up to us to beat the odds in the market, okay? They're just providing a service. Now, there's a lot of people online saying that market makers are involved in stop hunting. I don't think so. I've worked for several market makers. No market maker even bothered to hunt stops that I was with. Why would you bother to hunt a stop? Why wouldn't you just let the 90, 90, 90 statistic work for you? So if you're seeing all these tutorials or people who are revealing secrets of how the market makers make money in terms of trading the market, they don't bother trading the market. They just take the opposite side of the trade to their clients. They know they've got the odds in their favour and they're going to win over time. They'll obviously be careful about the exposure on their book. So let's say they have too many traders as a percentage of their core equity in one trade, which is say in the news, which could have a really big move up or down. They might decide to hedge off some of that position, but most of the time they will just let the market work for them and they'll end up with a lot of money over time. So if you really want to trade like the market makers, become one, because if you've got enough money, it is a great way to make money. And I think there's a lot of people selling strategies and secrets of market makers, and it's just not true that market makers are trading into levels or hunting stops. It's all a myth. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Take care and have a good day.